price drop, guys. Yes, price drop on the higher tier of the Ryobi deals. Big shout out to Leon for sending us this message with this deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell icon so we can make more review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Follow us. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, so yes, guys, this is the $199 starter kit at the Home Depot. It's currently down to $159. That is $40 less. And you guys know what that means, right? You guys know that you're gonna get the hack for cheaper. Yes. So you go down here to the free gift with purchase. Let's see what's left. Oh, by the way, there's 3,883 of these babies available to be hacked, of course. All right, so these are the tools that are available currently with that $159 discount. You got the compact 3/8 high-speed ratchet at $129. Oh, this is a good one. The 18 gauge brushless cordless air strike brand nailer, $189. Yeah, definitely jump on that one. You got the brushless cordless half-inch hammer drill at $129. The brushless cordless 3/8 impact wrench at $119. You got the brushless cordless 6.5 circular saw valued at $119. Got the brushless cordless compact cutoff tool valued at $119. You got the brushless cordless pruning tool valued at $149. Oh, this is a good one, but it's already sold out, unfortunately. The brushless bagless stick vacuum at $189. Yeah, that one's already sold out, so you might want to just check on that one, see if it's available. But I would definitely jump on this first one, or the second one here, the nailer. This one's a really good one, especially with that hack. Let's put it in, see what it does, or see what it does as for savings. All right, so it's gonna drop down that nailer, guys, to $86. That's a really good deal. 50% off, 54% off. And then these batteries are gonna jump down to $72.75 after the hack. So guys, definitely jump on this deal. This is a really good deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.